A very happy Bogi to all the viewers. So Shankranti, Bogi, Pongal, Bihu, Lohori. So this entire country celebrates this one festival in all the states, majority of the states. I will be sharing this video on how much fun we had today. So we had our bogi, that is our South Indian style of starting off the Shankranti. This what you're seeing right now is mezi. Mezi is actually a cone shaped straw house which is made from hay and bamboo. So we made this in Chennai, helping Kairav to be rooted to both our cultures. And yes, I had told you that January 15th we will be planting our saplings, but unfortunately the seedling tray was completely damaged by the cats and the dogs around in my colony. They damaged even my grow bags. Rodents, cats and dogs, so all the three attacking my grow bags and my plants. I had palak which had grown to quite a large extent, but then they all have eaten it up and pulled it out. So I got this chicken mesh and I have kind of supported my garden area. So you can see Cairo making the mezi. Mezi is actually a conical shaped straw or a firewood hut which will be which will be lit up right early in the morning, worshipping the fire god. Similarly everywhere, it's followed everywhere. Even in Punjab it's Lahori, and in the South India it is the bogi. We usually have either the conical shaped the huts or the houses which are made from bamboo and straw. So you can see few examples here. I've just taken few pictures from the Google to show you. This is Belagar. What we have made here, this is a mezi, right? So it's made from straw, from hay actually, from hay and a little bit of firewood. We will be lighting it tomorrow morning. We'll be lighting this mezi tomorrow morning. Kaira wanted to give the South Indian touch to it, so he wanted to put a kolam, and he's trying to make his kolam there. You can see him try making the kolam with his finger. Yeah, so he's tried to push the rangoli powder or the kolam maav into a geometrical figure of showing or representing a flower. So this is it, and today we had this healthy idli in the morning. This is in Kuldeep's office. It looked beautiful. Pongal, so wishing you all again a happy Shankranti, Pongal, Bihu and Lohori and any other names which you might be calling this. Okay, usually what we showed you the mezi in Bihu, or sorry, in Assam, they usually feast in the night, and that means today night they will be feasting around the mezi or the belagar, making their delicacies. And this is what we had in the house as a family. Kaira wanted his ice cream, so we had ice cream, and as a family we spent our time together. So happy festival all of you.